That little ding from your banking app, your paycheck is in. For most, that relief is the starting gun for a 2-week race to zero, ending with one question: where did it all go? But the financially elite don't feel that stress. Why? Because they've already activated a secret cheat code, a simple, automated system just leaked by a financial insider for 2026. We're breaking down the 5 exact steps to turn every paycheck into your silent, automatic, wealth-building machine. Let's activate it. First, ditch the dusty 50-30-20 rule. That's old money advice that kept your current self stressed and your future self barely surviving. For 2026, we're activating a different model, the 45-20-35 Paycheck Split. This isn't just an alternative, it's your strategic bypass for high taxes and even higher ambitions, finally aligning your current needs with your future power. And for my self-employed entrepreneurs, I'm talking about the day you cut yourself a business check. The system works the same. This split saved my own financial life when I first started. Here is the visual blueprint you need to screenshot right now. The instant your paycheck hits, your money gets 3 distinct missions. No more guessing, no more anxiety. 45%. That's your fixed life: rent, mortgage, utilities, car, insurance, groceries. This is about securing your current self's foundation, guarding your 4 walls, non-negotiable. It ensures your present stability so your future self isn't constantly putting out fires. Next, 20%. This goes straight to your fun fund. This isn't your current self's guilty indulgence. It's the essential pressure release valve that keeps your entire financial plan from exploding. It's permission to live a little now, preventing burnout that could derail your future self's progress. Now, the game changer, a full 35% of your take-home pay, that's exclusively for your future self. This is your wealth-building engine. This is where your current self makes the conscious choice to escape the matrix, to guarantee that your future self lives a life of financial freedom. This is where the real magic happens. First, lock down an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of essential expenses in a high-yield savings account. Once that's locked in, the 35% starts flowing into investments. Next, we activate cheat code number 2. Automate the hustle so the 35% grows your wealth while you live your life. Hit like and subscribe to flip the script and get wired for money. Your brain is wired to spend. Your current self sees cash, and your current self wants it gone. The wealthy don't fight that impulse. They engineer around it. They understand the brutal, simple truth. Systems don't get tired. Willpower dies every single time. This code isn't about self-control. It's about bypassing your own weakness to build the future you deserve. Your payday should be boring because the sophisticated system you just built is doing all the heavy lifting, silently building your empire. Here is your action plan, a 3-step financial coup. The moment your money lands, make it invisible. We're setting up automated transfers for those exact 45, 20, 35 percentages from cheat code number 1. We're talking direct to your emergency fund, your 401k, Roth IRA, brokerage accounts, whatever your wealth arsenal demands. Configure it once, then lock it down. Your current self cannot spend what your future self has already claimed. The rule: if I see it, I'll spend it. Eradicate mental overhead. Automate every single bill. Rent, utilities, subscriptions. It all goes on autopay from that main fixed life account. Better yet, put them on a rewards credit card, then set that card to autopay in full. Essentials are covered without a thought. Just passive rewards and a crystal clear mind, freeing you up to focus on earning, not managing. What's left after those transfers is your freedom fuel. It's your guilt-free spending money. If the remainder feels too tight, that's your system talking. That means you either need to level up your income or ruthlessly cut non-essentials. This isn't restriction, it's clarity. Once you automate, you've essentially cloned yourself. Your money keeps hustling for your future self tirelessly, even while your current self is sleeping or plotting your next move. This isn't about saving money, it's about buying back your time and ultimately your peace of mind. But here's the cold, hard truth. All this automation, all this hustling means nothing if you're bleeding cash to the banks. In cheat code number 3, we're tackling the financial monster that demands immediate action. The silent killer. The financial parasite that devours your future. That 20% plus interest on your credit cards isn't just a number. It's a financial black hole actively compounding against you, eating your paycheck while your current self is trying to sleep. You cannot out-earn high-interest debt. It's exactly like trying to run up a down escalator wearing a heavy vest. Every step forward, you're dragged 2 steps back. But this isn't about resignation. It's about activating the debt buster, flipping the script, and making compounding work for your empire, not against it. This is how you reclaim your power. For 2026, the strategy is brutal, simple, and devastatingly effective. The debt avalanche. Identify your costliest debts. List every debt. Ignore the balance. Hunt the APR. That interest rate is draining your future. Identify the highest. Focus your funds. For all your other debts, keep making the minimum required payments, no more, no less. But then, every extra dollar you can possibly find from unexpected bonuses, extra work, or any windfalls gets channeled directly into a relentless, focused attack on that highest interest debt. You don't ease up until that debt is completely paid off. Unleash the debt snowball. Once your first high-interest debt is gone, you take the entire payment amount. That's the minimum payment plus all the extra funds you were throwing at it, and immediately redirect them to the next highest APR debt. This isn't just paying debt, it's building an unstoppable financial snowball. This is how you seize control. The hacker twist. Don't fight without a shield. Run this protocol in parallel with securing a small, battle-ready emergency fund, even just $1,000. This is your insurance policy. This is the buffer that prevents your current self from reaching for that credit card again when life throws a flat tire your way. Your base salary, optimized by your 45-20-35 split, covers your essential life, but any extra income becomes your accelerator capital. It goes directly to turbocharging your debt destruction. This is how you decimate debt years faster than anyone else, building generational wealth while others are still spinning their wheels. But even after crushing debt and automating your savings, there's another silent drain on your wealth. In cheat code number 4, we're pulling back the curtain on the tax code matrix, revealing how to unlock the secrets your accountant might not tell you. Don't miss it. This is one colossal, often ignored parasite that makes everything else look like child's play. Taxes. Over your lifetime, taxes will be your single biggest expense. For most of you, the government is silently siphoning off a third, sometimes half, of your income. It is not just a deduction, it is a direct, lifelong wealth transfer from your future self's pocket into a black hole. So why are you paralyzed? Because it seems complicated? I know your eyes glaze over at the word taxes, but this next 90 seconds is the most profitable time you'll spend all week. This is the cheat code with the biggest guaranteed return. Priority 1, the non-negotiable match. If your employer offers a 401k match, max it out first. That is a 100% guaranteed return. Walking past it is financial malpractice. We grab that cash and move immediately. Priority 2. Activate tax-free growth. Shield is up. Next on the stack, max out your IRA. Prioritize the Roth IRA to lock in tax-free growth in retirement. This isn't just saving, it's an advanced maneuver to protect your future gains from the tax code matrix. Priority 3. Turbocharge the 401k. With your IRA optimized, it's time to finish the mission. Contribute until you crush the annual 401k limit of $24,500 for 2026. You're building a massive tax-deferred fortress that accelerates your journey to financial independence. Now the matrix is evolving. The rules constantly shift. Thanks to the Secure 2.0 Act for 2026 and beyond, if you're earning over $145,000 and are over 50, your catch-up contributions must be Roth post-tax. Why does this obscure detail matter? Because understanding these shifts is how you stay ahead. In cheat code number 5, we're launching into financial offense, the compounding empire. Get ready to turn your saved capital into true generational wealth. Defense is over. We go full stack offense. Cash sitting still is a target. Inflation is the predator. This isn't about hoarding, it's about deploying capital with ruthless precision. Welcome to the Wealth Stack Protocol, your definitive blueprint to turn every paycheck into a compounding empire. Dominate the market. Allocate 30 to 50% to low-cost index funds like S&P 500 or international ETFs. You don't just watch the market, you own it. Ride the growth. Automate the attack. Schedule recurring buys. This is dollar cost averaging on autopilot. You win while you sleep. Capitalize on chaos. Red days aren't losses, they're fire sales. Be greedy when others panic. Acquire the world at a discount. Reinvest for explosive growth. Auto-reinvest every dividend. Force those shares to compound relentlessly. Accelerate the wealth curve. Tactical speculation. Limit crypto or startups to a 5 to 10% tactical strike. Keep your core capital in proven assets, predictable, unstoppable. This wealth stack protocol is your ultimate financial offense. You've automated the hustle, crushed the debt, and neutralized taxes. Your money is now a self-multiplying machine. This is the final cheat code. The system is yours. That's 5 cheat codes unlocked to transform your paycheck in 2026. Now go build your empire, but before you do, there are 3 specific decisions that decide 90% of your wealth. Tap the screen right now to see what most people miss until it's too late.